Good morning. Here we are again. So here we are on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, and we're trading gold futures M5 with top step. And as always, just read the ticker. We trade on a 5-minute chart. We're trading gold futures, which is GL. And what we're going to do is we wait for some confirmations. So we look for a flag, waiting for the price then to break the Heikin-Ashi levels, and then we're looking for any support and resistance around those levels that could stop our move. So we'll just review yesterday. A good start to the week, winners Monday and Tuesday, and hopefully we can do the same today. So quick review where we're at. So we're at 52,400 and we have a profit target of 53. So just $600 shy, or just under $600 shy of where we want to be. So best day so far is $1,000, and the saying our worst day is 144, and we've got an average day of $402. So just look at the equity curve. You can see we started at 50k and we're moving up nicely. So we're at 52,400 right now, and you can just see where we are with a trailing stop, and we've maintained a $2,000 trailing stop all the way through the challenge. We just go down to our average profitability, so that's just over $100, and our win rate at the moment is at 82%, and we got a risk to reward ratio of almost 1 to 2. So quite happy with the trading performance so far. I'm hoping we can get a good move down this morning. I'm bearish this morning. I'm looking for a sell signal if we can get it. And we go over to trading view, and let's have a look at that chart. So I've zoomed in quite a bit, right? I've marked in, here's the Asian high, or the higher high, here's the lower low. And we can see we've got a support level sitting on that low. So as I say, we've got a bit of wiggle room. The only thing I am mindful of is where the VWAP is. So this VWAP can act as resistance. So I'm probably looking to be entering the trade around 27.60. And we can see now we've got the price has gone up. The bulls, they've run out of steam. And you can see the price is starting to reverse here. So I think we might get that sell trade in before 7 o'clock. But as always, it's about patience. We have to wait for the price to come to us. We can't go forcing a trade. Yeah, so I'm looking for the sell flag, and then I'm looking for the price to break below this Heikin-Ashi level here. Then I'm going to take the trade in for 30 ticks, and I trade 1 to 1. So 30 tick profit, 30 tick stop. So while you're watching and we wait for the price, I'll put myself on mute and finish my coffee. So while we wait for Mandela, there's been something I wanted to try, so let's see if I can get this to work.
Yesterday, gold futures saw a slight drop, influenced by broader market movements and investor sentiment. The primary factor was a stronger US dollar, driven by robust economic data that bolstered expectations for the Federal Reserve to keep interest rates elevated. Additionally, US Treasury yields remained high, making gold less appealing as a non-yielding asset. Despite the downturn, gold's safe haven appeal was supported by concerns about ongoing geopolitical tensions, which helped cushion any sharp declines. Traders focused on key support levels while watching for signals from upcoming US economic reports that could impact gold's direction later in the week. 3637 source.
Thanks, ChatGPT. So yeah, still waiting for that downward move. Just looking at the Forex M15 as well. That's broken out to the Asian high on the Forex charts. So what I'm expecting is a reversal of this price, and I'm looking for a break, like I say, below this Heikin-Ashi level here. I'm looking to take the trade around 27.60. So it looks like we have to be a little bit patient this morning. I think we've been spoilt Monday, Tuesday. Trade come to us pretty quick in the morning, but it looks like we're in for a bit of a wait this morning. Yeah, so definitely we're gonna have to be very patient this morning. We're just waiting for that push down. We are waiting for that break of the Heikinashi. So yeah, get yourself a cup of tea, cup of coffee, glass of water, and just bear with us while we wait for this price to drop. Like I say about trading, it is about patience. It's probably, say, 60-70% patience. Then we got the execution, that's the easy bit, and then it should discipline then. Stick to your rules, stick to the trading plan. So we're starting to get a little bit pushed down now. So the trade, is looking favourable for us. Price is coming in our direction. But yeah, it's all about patience, and that's one thing about trading. It's not super exciting. You don't get the trades all the time. So sometimes you just have to learn to sit in your hands and wait. That's exactly what we're going to do. So we're going to wait for this price to break down. It's going to drop, which seems to be happening right now, but I want to see the confirmation before we take the trade. we've got the sell flag flashing at the moment. We're waiting for confirmation of that flag, and then we're looking for the price to drop below that Heikin-Ashi level. You can see I've just drawn a quick yellow line on the chart just for a visual confirmation for myself. And I've got my sell box in with my 30 tick take profit and stop loss. And I also use the gun box then. So when we enter around 0.5, and if we get to 0.87, I move my stop loss to break even. So you can see the price is at a stall on our previous candle. Let's see if we can get the push down and get into this trade. But like I said earlier, I think this morning is going to be about patience. And to be a successful trader, patience is something you have to learn, unless you're like me and you learn the hard way. So you can see the sell flags disappeared, so that trade now would be invalid. We'd actually push in higher. So when we do get the move to the downside, I'm expecting a good move. But yeah, we still got some buyers in the market, or some bulls in the market, which is still pushing the price up. But for myself, I'm going to stay out of the market until we can get confirmation of a sell. yeah, we're not going to talk too soon, but we seem to be getting that push down on the price. And while we're waiting for that, I would like to welcome into the show Mandela. Good morning.
Man. Good morning. How are you doing, Andrew? How are you?
I'm good. Sitting on my hands this morning. It's a little bit of patience, so a little bit action-packed Monday and Tuesday. We go in the trade around 6 a.m.
Yes.
At the moment, we can see we're topping out around this. I can't see the screen, but yeah, around 27.56 area. Just waiting for a sell flag to come in. I'm looking for a break of this Heikin-Ashi level here before taking the trade. Okay. And we got a little bit of wiggle room down to the VWAP, which has been anchored off the yesterday's New York session as we come out of that. And we got a lot of room down to that demand level of 27.53. So potentially we could have a good sell on this morning, but it's all about patience today. Monday, Tuesday, boom, started the stream straight into the trade. But yeah, a little bit more patience today. It's a bit more testing conditions. I think that's one thing that anyone who watches the show need to understand. To be a successful trader, you have to learn patience. You have to. It's probably the hardest internal battle with yourself.
Absolutely, and you're showing how it can pay off tremendously. Yeah, not every day is going to be exactly the same. So I see your rationale here for this morning. Just kind of wait and see.
Yeah, so we've had a good week. So we've 2 from 2 for the week. But if I show you, one day I'm going to trade the whole day, probably on a demo, just to show what can be done. But yesterday, quickly review yesterday. What did he do yesterday? So this is the trade we took, which won. We were in and out of the market. Yeah, we took a profit and run. But then a buy signal come in, that never broke even. So the price got up to 3/4 of our profit. The next trade we would have lost. So we're 1 for 1 at the moment, right?
Yes.
Yeah. The next trade we would have won. Next trade we would have won. The next trade we would have won. And the next trade we would have won. Yeah, so I continue this trend up here. So just quickly for people to see. We traded in one contract yesterday. That's a 50k account. We've taken a profit of $1,800. We're lost $600. Yes, we would have banked $1,200 yesterday. So if I traded the whole day, yeah, we would have taken $1,200 yesterday on one contract. So it was quite favourable, and we can see here, yeah, we bought here. We'll take the winner, right? We're taking a loss here.
Yep.
The loss was 2-1. Taking a sell here, 2-2. Taking a buy here, 3-2. So yeah, at the moment the strategy is looking favourable, so I'm happy with that. And I'm just patiently waiting for this sell, and I think it's going to run into the end of the session around 8 o'clock. Step price is definitely stalling here, and I'm expecting us to get that downward move, down to this VWAP level. Here we're going to hit a bit of resistance, but it's a VWAP on an M5, so it's not that strong, right?
Yeah.
The more you zoom out, the stronger the trend or the stronger the support and resistance. You can see that we got a sell flag in here, and what I'm looking for now is for the next candle to break the Heikin-Ashi, and we're going to take that sell. But I want a clear confirmation below this level here. So while we wait for that, let's go over to the news.
All right, let's do it. News. News today is brought to you by... Who's the news brought to us today, Andrew?
.com, right?
Yes, that's it.
Yeah, keep the chart.
So for the news for today, just a couple items to be aware of. I know this week has been a little slow on the news front, but to start off the week, start of the day, we have the 3-year Treasury gilt in the UK. We still have that IMF meeting That's been going all week, and no real direct impact on markets, but just good to be aware of, as we always say. What else we got down here? If we scroll down, we got some big news coming out of the US a little bit later on today, and that's in the form of existing home sales. So that's going to be a big one. Expected 3.88 million, and previous was 3.86 million. Andrew, please stop me if there's any entries in gold.
So is 3.88, is that favorable for the dollar? What's that telling us?
So basically what this is telling us is that there have been an increase. There has been an increase in home sales, which is technically favorable for the dollar. So previously, so last month, it would have been 3.86 million, and they're looking for a slight increase in home sales. Usually means better economy, more money flowing around. We'll wait on that number. So once we actually get the number, if it's higher than this, that's better for the US dollar. If it's lower than this, technically it's worse for the US dollar.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And then what else we got coming down here? Some EU consumer confidence news. Francine Lagarde, also later on this afternoon. That's pretty much it. I did want to, 20-year bond later on this evening, London time and Beige Book. Also good to be aware of. I did want to just quickly mention, Andrew, that earnings season is kind of in full swing right now. So with earnings, we like to look at the big named companies. Just very briefly, this morning, looks like we're going to have Boeing coming out with earnings. AT&T is another one, and Coca-Cola. And then this evening is the big news item. Everybody's waiting for Tesla. That's going to be a big announcement this evening. IBM, not as big, but a gold company. Newmont is one of the biggest gold miners in the world. So with gold hitting all-time highs, interesting to see what happens with Newmont, ticker symbol NEM. Anybody who maybe is looking for a stock to invest in as we trade higher and higher in gold, Newmont is your name, at least one of the top two. And lastly, let's have a quick look at tomorrow morning. We'll touch on this tomorrow, but American Airlines, UPS, Southwest tomorrow. That's it from my perspective, Andrew. That's the news for today.
No, that's great. Thanks very much.
Thank you.
So gold's
saying? What's gold saying?
Pushing higher. It doesn't want to play this morning. So yeah, we can see. Look at this. But this could be the final spike, final push up. Because I can imagine a lot of retail traders probably jumped in around here when we see this large push down.
Yes.
And yeah, they're going to get stopped out with this candle here. And then, like we've seen the other week, right? We jumped in trades early when we seen it push down, and then we got spiked out then. And I think we could be seeing a repetition of that. So for myself, yeah, we're just going to stick to the plan. We're waiting for a break here, and we could be seeing a spike here. Next candle in the next candle's right now. It'll be interesting to see what this candle does.
Yeah, we're at an all-time high. All-time high.
We need like a buzzer for that, right? Yeah, I'm just looking at my stickers now. I haven't got anything for that.
There's a breaking news one, which we'll probably do for now. Is there a confetti one? Confetti or breaking news?
Yeah, no, I'm on a different tab. I'm on the Signature FX Daily tab.
Oh, I see.
He's on the blueprint.
Oh, yeah, got you.
So, yeah, no. Yeah. Got some sponsors and credits.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'll need to add them in. Just drop me an email with them later. And I'll load them up. Sure. Maybe I'll see if I can get the siren to the all-time high. But It could be one of those days that we don't trade. There's nothing much happening, but I have got a message from Top Step, which I'll read out.
Oh, interesting.
So I reached out to Top Step, told them 2 of us follow Top Step TV, and some of the information that they share I think is really useful for our viewers. So I just asked them, can we use Michael's stream? Tell us what the benefits of using the prop term. And number 2, I asked, obviously our show runs for a couple of hours. Can we use the Top Step TV advert as well? And they just got back to me. Hello, and I'm very sorry for a delay while I researched your question. Yes, you may use a clip of Top Step TV. I hope that helps. Again, our sincere apologies for the delay, and thank you for your patience.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. I mean, they seem like they're very responsive. They're on it.
Yeah,
very professional.
So far, so good. 10 out of 10. But it's the payout, right? That's the acid test for these guys. Pay us out. Yeah, we'll give them a thumbs up, and we'll give them a promotion on our socials and our website. But let's get the payout first. But I know people that has been paid out by them, so I'm quietly confident they will pay out.
Yeah.
And just look at the price. So we could have had a false breakout. I can imagine a lot of people would have jumped in long as well here. This is, we've got some flip-flops, right? We got the sellers. We're getting stopped out here. We got the buyers. Potentially could get stopped out around this level here. So I'm talking futures traders or scalpers. We're not talking long trades. But some people will be diving in a little bit too prematurely. They could be getting stopped out. For myself, I'm still looking at the price below this Hikanashi. So the more the price pushes up, the better the trade's going to be for us if we go short, giving us more room between this VWAP level here. And go over to my Twitter. There's a quick explanation on what VWAP is, and all the cool kids are doing it. So it's definitely worth researching and having a look at. And it does seem to act as a good support and resistance level for us.
Yeah, you've been very, very active on Twitter, which is great to see, Andrew. Most every day, there's a lot of psychological, mental toughness messages in there as well. It's a good variety.
Yeah, so when we finish the show, I have a few thoughts in my head. What the days held for me, what the session held for me. I share that on Twitter. And for myself, I think I should be banging on about patient, sitting on your hands, and not be too trigger happy, right? I think, as I said earlier, like 70% psychology, and the rest then is about the execution and getting out the trade goes to.
I couldn't agree more on the psychology bit, and this is a perfect example this morning of that psychology.
Yeah, so I'm gonna say, hard to say go short, but my head's telling me not yet. You wait. You wait for confirmation.
Yeah, it looks like you were saying, it looks like that initial breakout is being reversed. So just a lot of frustration on both sides, I think.
Yeah, imagine. Yeah, we got the buyers waiting as well. We got the opposite of me sitting somewhere behind the PC waiting to go long. So,
that's a great way to look at it as well. That's a great way to kind of think about it.
My evil twin, my nemesis. Go on, pull the trigger, but not yet. So it's like a game of chess, right? Who's going to make the first move, or who blinks first, right? So we've got the sell flag showing, but that's just confirmation, that one of many, right? With that price pushing up, we will invalidate that flag and take it out. Have a quick look. Forex M15. So the M15 we broke above the Asian high. We're on this is the 5th candle confirmation, so it could just be going long today. Might not get any trade off at all. So, but we keep the stream going till around 7 o'clock, and then what I might do then is just go to a non-commercial break and just leave the chart after the music. And then we see what happens before.
Yeah. Done that before. I mean, yeah, if there's no trade to take, then there's not much to do, really.
Yeah, and so people need to understand there's no trade to take. There's no trade to take, right? You just need to learn that patience and sit it out. So I know a lot of people now, they will be itching. They want to get their 30 ticks in the bag. But yeah, we just have to wait. And we've got a profitable week so far. We're going to trade micros gold on Top Step X. We're looking for 30 tick profit, 30 tick stop loss. But we seem to be forming I'd say a new range, right? Yeah, so I would have said that was like a previous range that we're operating in. We just broken above that. I think we're going into a range here. Yes, definitely going to be expectations this morning, but I'm quite happy with the price. It is moving up, so when we do get that sell, it should be quite favourable.
So for the sell, are you looking for it to break the Hikanashi?
Yes, went through this yellow line in here.
Yeah.
What I'm looking is, basically open and close below this level. I'm also going to be looking for the sell flag to flash up. And then we're going to take that trade with 30 ticks. So at the moment, we're going to take profits sitting just above the VWAP as well. So that could be a favourable trade.
That VWAP will act as like a target for the bulls.
Yeah, definitely target for the bears.
Sorry.
And, target for the bears. Definitely be resistance. If we do get a strong move, we could push through that. Down to this demand level here, 27.52. But I'm not looking for those home runs. I'm looking just to get in and out of the market, to take my dollars and run, right?
Yeah, that's all you need.
We're probably going to run out of things to talk about because it looks like the price is going to test us this morning. So, it's the most important question of the day. Tea or water this morning?
Oh my goodness, so interesting. For those who actually wait for this segment in the show, every time I turn on the kettle, starting yesterday, all of the fuses trip in the kitchen. So this morning I had to put some water into a pot and boil the water in the pot. Have you had this problem before? Where the tea kettle is just using too much energy? Yeah,
normally, something wrong with the kettle, right? It's probably wet or damp, or you've got an electrical fault. It looks like a new kettle for yourself.
Okay, that's what it would be. All right, okay, that makes sense.
So, it can only pull so much energy, what oil requires. But if it's tripping out the kitchen, first of all, you should trip out your fuse in the plug.
Yeah, it does the fuse. It does the fuse first.
Yeah, and then if it bypasses that, off the fuse is too large, and take out the arse to be in your house, right? So, probably a new kettle for yourself. Maybe let it dry. Get in the airing cupboard, let it dry out, be damp, and just in some water.
Okay. Look, see, this show, you can learn so much from this show. People don't realize that. I mean, we should put this in the show notes.
Yeah. Welcome to today's Signature FX edition of Home Economics.
So answer to your question, yes, I was able to get some water, and I'm having some tea this morning, courtesy of Waitrose. It's peppermint, nettle, and ginkgo tea. Really nice. It's got a little a spice of lemon.
Okay, any sugar or honey into that tea? No
sugar, no honey, just good old-fashioned water. I'm a very simple man, Andrew, in my mature age. What about you? What do you have this morning? What's your drink of choice?
Oh, it's double espresso, strong as it can be, and then just a little bit additional hot water. So, just half a cup of strong coffee, and then a pint of Ribena next to me. So.
Oh, very nice. Yeah, you got that squash, as you call it.
Yeah, Ribena. Squash, or cordial.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, when I've been on my travels, you just don't see squash or cordial in the shops. I don't know if you do it in Bermuda.
We do. So we have Ribena, and we have some of the other ones, like I don't know. Yeah, we do have it in Bermuda. It looks like gold is. Am I seeing this right? Are we testing the all-time high again?
We are,
Slowly
yeah.
but surely.
Yeah, here we go again. So yeah, we're breaking out of that range in the last 3 candles. So yeah, potentially there's going to be no trade this morning. That's okay. It's capital preservation and no expenses for myself. But I think we will get a large pullback, probably on the UK Open. When we get these all-time highs, you're in no man's land, right? So
Yeah.
For myself, I'd be very cautious of buying because you don't have a level to move to.
Yeah. It's like uncharted, like it's clear skies, basically.
Yeah, exactly. And, So yeah, we're gonna check this out. Could move over to another pair. No, I'm not going to.
Yeah, you seem to be in sync and able to read gold on a next level.
Yeah, that's what I'd recommend to any new traders. Just pick one pair, and understand the movement, understand the range, work out one-to-one stop loss, take profit, and the price will have an average true range. That will change, but you can take that ATR over 14 days, and stick to that. Like I see new traders, they're trying to trade everything that's on the market watch, right? So they try to trade euro, British pound, US dollar, Japanese yen, Swiss franc, gold, silver. And then you're not going to get understand the pattern recognition, how that price moves. So my recommendation would be stick to one pair. Probably gold's one of the worst ones. Gold can move. Takes a little bit of time to get used to. But yeah, just pick your pair, concentrate on that. Do a lot of back testing, and like we done last week, also forward test as well. So predict the price after the trader and a demo, to see where you come out.
Yeah, I think we are we've been mentioning the demos quite a bit, and there's a lot of value in using those tools that are available. And the demos are a great one for a day like today.
Yeah, so why risk your capital, right? Have 2 accounts, and then on the demo, you can really test your strategy. Really give it the acid test, as they call it, and if you're wrong so much, right, you just write down why you was wrong, learn from it, and then on to the next trade.
Yeah. Talking about gold, have you seen anything from Alex Lara over in Romania?
No, I haven't heard from her in a while.
She's one of the gold traders.
The show.
Yeah, we've had her on quite a bit, and I know she almost exclusively trades gold. So yes. I do wonder what she's been doing with all these all-time highs. Guessing she's holding some long positions.
Yeah, and she's also mastered some ICT concepts, and she's trading really well. So I can imagine she's got when we got these pullbacks, she's probably jumped in the Judas swing, whatever it's called, right? Turtle soup and all the rest of them.
Yeah,
and, profits, but silver bullet. There's so many concepts.
Yes, I remember the imbalance. You were the one that kind of opened my eyes to the. Is it called the imbalance or the close?
Fair value gap.
Fair value gap. That's it.
Yeah, well, it's really sweet, right? And I know Alex trades that as well. So if we get time today, let's kind of catch up with that and see what she's been up to.
Yeah, it'd be nice. What are you up to for today?
So, got an office visit today. Just booked back-to-back meetings. Hoping to take a bit of time tomorrow, or trying to travel over the weekend. So, need to tidy myself up, need to get a haircut and
of course,
back a case and all the rest of it.
When are you thinking to go? Is it over the weekend?
Yeah, probably over the weekend.
Okay.
Not hard to travel. So I have a superpower. The minute, they turn like the aircon on the plane or start the engine.
Yeah.
Like I literally pass out like Mr. T from the 18. I just wake up in the country, just like magic. Great. I don't have much jet lag at all.
Do you take anything for that? Like, do you not have an espresso that morning or something?
I could have like 4 cans of Red Bull and I'm just gone. Just the minute they start that white noise on the plane.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, adios amigo, I'm gone. We'll see you on the other side.
That's incredible. Oh,
So-
man.
Yeah, so I traveling last year with some colleagues, and I just wake up all fresh, in a new country. Phone resets itself with the time. Let's go. Everyone else is jet lag, tired from the journey. I just slept like a baby. Not going to sleep like a baby. That's not a great term, is it? The babies don't sleep. What they sleep?
Well, I mean, the really good ones do. Like, if you have a really good one.
One
probably
insight
sleep
show we got. Yeah, I was thinking about that. These are things that keep me awake at night,
Yeah. You get a full variety of information. I mean, I have learned so much from this show. Just this show alone.
Well,
This is a good sort of heads up on what our election show is going to be like. You know,
yeah, it's going to be great. They're going to be shouting at the screen. Yeah, I can't wait. Can't wait for the election show. We're going to have a couple of San Miguel that night as well, and just R-rated,
that's-
sure, definitely.
Yeah,
So,
that's the way to do it, though.
yeah, I'll be ticking the not made for kids option on YouTube.
Yeah.
So, yeah, if you look at X this morning, Elon's up. He's off with the UK government. It's happened. I'll catch up on that later. But,
Is this the E. coli thing at McDonald's?
No, it's to do with the UK government are looking to send representatives from the Labour Party to promote Harris. So Elon's
To promote what? Sorry.
promote Harris and Walt.
Ah.
Want to promote Harris and Walt.
I see.
With the amendments and that's election interference from a foreign country.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so it's all going on. It's interesting. And yeah, this election is going to be interesting. So talking to McDonald's, like hands down, fresh McDonald's fries are the best. But what do you think about In-N-Out, Whataburger, Chick-fil-A?
Burger. I like Five Guys. The Five Guys burger. I don't know if you've had that one.
Yeah, we got them here in the UK. Quite expensive in the UK.
Yeah, it is expensive, but I don't know. I like the taste of the burger. It tastes good.
Yeah, I think McDonald's fries probably are the best. They're fresh. Take some people. But Chick-fil-A is quite good as well. Actually met one of my American colleagues the other week. They actually got the recipe. You know how they get the chicken burger so good. They actually marinate the chicken burger in pickle juice. Like with
Really?
vinegar. Yeah. So yeah.
This is which place?
Chick-fil-A.
Ah,
In secret.
That's clever.
I'm expecting some men in dark suits to knock my door, giving up a Chick-fil-A secret.
you gotta be careful. They may block this part of the stream, Andrew. We all know what happened with the Vince McMahon part. So
Yeah, and you don't want to mess with Vince McMahon, right? Scary dude.
we got about 5 minutes to the top of the hour. Did you hear
Yeah.
about the McDonald's thing? You heard about the McDonald's quarter pounder linked to E. coli outbreak?
No, I haven't. But what's the chances of that? I'm just being but no, I didn't.
Yeah, so Donald Trump did a whole thing where he worked for McDonald's for a day, or for an hour maybe, on the drive-through window.
That's
Donald
right.
Trump was handing out fries and stuff. And then today, actually late last night, McDonald's quarter pounders have been linked to an E. coli outbreak.
It's all Trump's fault then, right?
Yeah, so I don't know.
He didn't wash his hands.
Jeez. It's just, this election is more entertaining than anything.
That's it. So for me, the US elections is just pure entertainment because they call each other rotten, right? They really have a go with each other. And after the election, they'll be shaking hands and all sorts. But have my opinion, but obviously I'll keep that to myself until after the election. What I think's better for the US. But what I kind of see of the US is in a right mess at the moment, right?
Yeah. It is. Are we getting a trade set up? I don't know.
It looks like, but I want the price to break through this 27.63 level here. But we got the flag in, so we could be taking a trade in the next 5-10 minutes. But I'm going to get myself coffee in a couple of minutes, and so we'll run us over to a non-commercial break. But Signature FX, we are open to sponsorship. If you would like to advertise on our show, please reach out to Mandela or I, or our chartered accountant. We wish. But,
why are you making fun of Nigel? Nigel he does his job. Nigel does a great job.
Yeah, Nigel's okay. Nigel. Yeah. Nigel, if you're watching, you love you. Please get out of prison. That's all we ask. Get the IRS away from our front door. And you're good, Nigel. So with the trade, we could be seeing something. I think the 8 a.m. From 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. We get some proper traders at the desk. We could see some large sales push that price down. But not looking to get in until we get confirmation of this sell flag and below the Heikinashi level.
So are you saying that right now is the pajama traders and the robe traders?
Yeah, so there will be some, like some brown nose professional traders get into the office early, right? No, sorry, I shouldn't say that. Maybe they just want to be coming. We always get people that turn up too early, right?
That's true.
I'm in the office first.
Yeah.
Grow up.
Yeah. Don't you have anything better to do?
Yeah. Send me on Twitter to read. What's wrong with you? I think there will be some traders. There will be some traders who work from home, professional traders, right? Who just don't need to get into Canary Wharf or to the office, and they'll be looking to get in early, right? They're looking to get a jump ahead. Now the traders to get into any short positions they might see.
Yeah, I mean, just logically speaking, when we're at an all-time high, I think anybody who's bought before this morning is in profit. But that doesn't mean that we automatically pull back. So it's
some people would have got in around that Asian low, right? They nice healthy profit up to here, and they're probably looking to get out around 50-75%, especially for trading large lot size.
Yes.
So there's winners and winners, right? So the buyers can win, the sellers can win. Yeah, it's just know when to get out of your trade.
There's been a few times where we have both been in a trade and we're both on different sides, and I think you make the point. It's a lot based on your time frame and where your exits are. That's
right. So if I was to zoom in, maybe a H1, H4, I might be thinking, now this is a long position, right? But because we trade an M5, we're scalping, right? We're only taking 30 ticks. We're not holding out that big move. So we're reacting in 5-minute time frames. So that sell flag stayed in. I've got a little bit of news beeping in my ear right now. So we could be seeing the move down in the next 10 minutes. Just quickly scanning the news, getting a couple of alerts.
Oh yeah, of course.
It's low.
I thought you don't trade the news.
I keep an eye on the news.
I'm messing with you.
But no, I don't trade the news. Normally, high impact news. I'm in and out of the market and sitting on profit. So, the sell flag is in. So what we're looking for next? That's confirmation number 1. Confirmation number 2 is break the Heikinashi. And confirmation number 3 is to open and close below its Fibonacci level. And it's looking favorable for a sell if we take the trade down to this VWAP level here as well. Break this level, you could see the price get back to this demand level here, so it could be favorable for the sellers within the next hour. But I'm gonna go for a coffee.
Sounds good.
I'll be back in about 5 minutes, but I'll have myself on mute and I'm just going to be locked in to a trading opportunity. You staying on, or are you gonna?
I will stay on until you get back. I'll stay on until you get back.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a look through some of the news.
Should I run the ad?
Go for it. Yeah, go for it. I like.
I'm back, coffee sorted. Yes, I'm
Nice.
looking to go short. I'm just gonna put myself on mute. I'm definitely gonna lock myself into this now. I'm gonna get in the zone, as they say. So yeah, I'll be watching that. So for anyone watching the show, yeah, I'm gonna be on mute, and I'll jump back on to let you know if I enter the trade. But what I'm looking at, you can see we've got the sell flag in. I'm looking for the price to open and close below this Fibonacci level here, so around 2763.8. But we can still see, we still got some bulls, fighting back. So I think, yeah, the next hour is going to be interesting, right? So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm not super keen to jump into the trade. Just seeing. A consolidation here around this price, so if we do get a break to the downside, it should be a good move. But yeah, we can see the price is still trying to push up, right? It's still fighting. So yes,
Yeah, it's if you had to put a percentage on it, if that's just as an exercise, how confident, how sure are you at this moment that it's going to go down?
73 short.
Yeah. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, it's worth a shot, I think.
Yeah, but my head's 50-50, but instincts tell me 70-30, but it doesn't tick the boxes, right? So earlier on the show, I spoke about patience, so I have to wait. Yeah, if I jump in that trade now, we could again. So yeah, let's just wait for the confirmation. So I'm just going to go to the chart. So I'll put on some better music for those who are watching. Yeah, we're looking to take the trade if we break that Fibonacci level. So what music should we play? I think we go back to the disco, and then yeah, we're just going to let the chart do the work, and I might jump back on if I take the trade. So Mandela, it's been a pleasure as always. The floor is yours, unless you're leaving.
Do I have anything else? So we will be back tomorrow together.
Yes, I'll be back at 6 a.m. Trading gold futures again.
Yep.
And yeah, I'm just gonna watch it, and then while I do that, I'm gonna catch up on some emails and see what today's got in store while I wait for this price.
That sounds good, Andrew. Well, I will be I'll be watching as I get everything ready for today. Always fun to jump on, and it's just a variety of topics and a good laugh for the most part in the morning. So yeah. Thanks again.
Yeah, no, you too. I'll see you in the morning. Yeah.
Yep. All right, Andrew.
Thanks, Mandela. Speak to you soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
So, yeah, we can see just the price is flip-flopping. Not happy with the price, so I'm not going to take a trade. I'm going to end the stream, and we'll finish the day with capital preservation. Well, we seem to be topping out at this level, so sell could be favorable later on, but yeah, not for me. So it's no trading day unless something significant happens within the next 30 minutes. I'm out today, so P&L of 0. So thanks to those who tuned in, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. But for myself, yeah, I'm not happy with the price. We flip-flopping around those buys and sells. We seem to be topping out around that level, but I think if we were to take a short position, it could be too risky. So thanks again, and I'll see you all soon.